2002, 8:34 p.m. Meta AI. The 2025 change in small car is finally here, and it's making waves in the automotive industry. This compact vehicle promises to deliver a perfect blend of style, performance, and affordability. But how does it stack up against its competitors? Let's dive in and explore the features, design, and performance of the 2025 change in small car. The change in brand has been around for a while, but this new model marks a significant departure from its predecessors. The first change in car was launched back in 2010, and since then, the company has been working tirelessly to improve its design, engineering, and overall driving experience. So, how does the 2025 change in small car compare to its rivals? Well, it's certainly giving the likes of the Toyota Yaris, Honda Fit, and Nissan Versa a run for their money. With its sleek design, advanced safety features, and impressive fuel efficiency, this little car is sure to turn heads. Speaking of design, the 2025 change in small car boasts a bold and aerodynamic exterior, complete with LED headlights, a sloping roofline, and a rear spoiler. The interior is just as impressive, with premium materials, a touchscreen infotainment system, and plenty of legroom for passengers. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that set the 2025 change in small car apart from the competition. For starters, it comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It also boasts a state-of-the-art infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Under the hood, the 2025 change in small car packs a punch, with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that produces 130 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. And with an estimated fuel economy of up to 35 mpg in the city and 42 mpg on the highway, this little car is perfect for commuters and road trippers alike. But what really sets the 2025 change in small